Hello everyone, this is Yuki. Behind me is our fully automatic popcorn machine that is shipped to Italy. Now I will show you how to add materials and the purchase process. First, we take the key and plug it in. Open the door, push it to the left. Here are two material boxes. Can add two different flavors of corn. On the right is cup drop bucket for the paper cup. Now we open the top cover of the material box. Then we open the lid of the material for flavor E. The corn we have prepared. Pouring into the material box. Close the lid after pouring. This is flavor R. Turn it on. Take out the prepared corn. Pour it in. After pouring, we close the lid. On the right is where we put the paper cups. We put it in paper cups. Okay, now the materials are added. We put the bottom cover on. There's a slot. We roll up. Then you can close it. Materials have been added. We close the door. After closing, we lock the key and pull it out. Next, I will show you how to purchase popcorn. We can see it on the screen. There are flavors C and R. We choose one of them. Finish payment, popcorn start making. The popcorn machine supports coin payment, as well as card reader and bill acceptor. Popcorn production completed. We can take it out and enjoy it.